soup. Blessed, 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 blessed. Yeah, man, so today Friday, and guess what? Me I make soup again. Yeah, somebody asked me for the ingredients to make soup. So I do my best to try if it kind of help somebody out, yeah? So in this bowl we got some pumpkin, we got some sweet potato, we got some carrots, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, scallions, or in the UK them call this spring onions, right? Pimento, stock, or your favorite soup mix. You can even use this, which is oxo cube. Just one caveat: this particular soup that I'm about to make, I've never made it before. I got this recipe from Shabnam, so Shabnam, respect and thanks. It's basically mango soup, right? But I'm just gonna put my little spin on it, yeah? So the recipe is not Jamaican, but of course, we have to put our little spin on everything, right? So in this bowl, we have a Scotch bonnet, we have pumpkin, we have sweet potato, we have some carrots, we have some onions and some spring onions, yeah? We got some pimento, soup mix like grease, cock soup, pause, or you can even use your standard oxo cube, yeah? And this is potentially what's going to make this soup very different. Lime, right? Ginger, lemongrass, garlic, thyme, parsley, basil, and again we got sweet potato, more pumpkin, chili again, and mangoes. So that's what's going to make this soup very different. Mango, yes, you can put mango in a soup. Alright, so first thing what we are going to do is hot water. Oh shit. All right. And then in goes your pumpkin. As a matter of fact, all of that can go in. In goes your pimento. In goes your stock. Thyme. All right, now, so this is where it gets interesting, and this is where I have to issue a caveat that I've never made this kind of soup before. I've never made mango soup before, so bear with me. It's a bit of an experiment, yeah? So what we have in there is lime juice, lemongrass, ginger, yeah? Garlic, so what we're gonna do to blend that. Actually, maybe I should put a little bit of water. Don't want to make that too hot. So I'm going to cool that down a bit. Okay. Let that cook. Alright, so here goes my dough. So this is what gives it that rich orange, vitamin K rich color. Alright, so in goes the basil. in goes the parsley, and then in goes the sweet potato, more pumpkin, more carrots, and the chili. And the mango. Look at that. Soup.